So we are back in Pancake Global. Today I will be showing you how to set up yung commissions ng mga employees natin. So first, you need to go to pos.pancake.ph. You need to sign in using your Pancake account or the Facebook account you use in Pancake Chat Management. Then you choose the page you wanted to open. So this one, I'll open the demo page. So here we can see the overview, and we need to go to the configuration and click commission. And then this is the feature and how we will create. So for example, we click that create, and then we input yung title. So for example, CSR commissions. And then we need to select the users that will receive these commissions or will have a computation. So for example, the 7 users, and we will add the configuration. We need to enter the value. Ayan, how enter the value name, and what ano yung marami tayong different calculations, pwedeng sa average selling price, sa discount, sa order discount, sa product, sa revenue, sa sales. So for example, we need to click confirmed orders. Sa bawat confirmed orders or delivered orders, pwede din hanapin nyo dito yung delivered count sa ibaba, delivered count. So sobrang dami natin pagpipilian. Mayroon dito yung delivered count. Kung gusto nyo is after ma-deliver yung item, tsaka lang sila, or mabayaran, tsaka lang sila, eto, delivered count. So confirmed order, and we will just input the value, which is for every confirmed order we will receive, for example, 30 pesos. Yeah, that is the commission by confirmed orders. And then we will go to the revenue, here yung statistics, and click revenue, and we can see here na ang default is the Facebook, the affiliate, the webcake. Ayan, we can choose it na kasama the users. Ayan, we just need to show here user. Ayan, tapos ano yung date, walang date, no? Ay, walang data kasi today it's Sunday today. So I will just choose, for example, from July 1 to October 30. So user, just a moment, mali pala yung napindot ko, July 1 to 30. So ayan, andyan na yung reports. So dito makikita natin kung si system ay orders. Ayan, si Beanie, si Natrin, si Rizel, si Ann, si Belly. So ayan yung mga confirmed orders. Kung makikita natin dito yung commission once applied na. So that's it po. You can explore and customize reports here. And if you have questions, you can message us in our page, Pancake Philippines. Thank you so much.